So here I have if you want to make it real cool, like add some lens flares and stuff like that, just import an image from Google or whatever and copy it into Photoshop and put it into color dodge mode on top of all layers. This layer should be on top, be the top layer. And then put it in color dodge and just change the color, go into color balance and get the right color so it fits the blue. That's the xenon light. And then I'm erasing the part of the light lens flare image that I don't need with an airbrush eraser. And I don't know, it might be a bit too much, but sometimes, especially if you have a darker image, it actually looks really cool with just one lens flare, not like go crazy with the lens flare. That might look a bit too much, but one is fine. And that's basically how I sketch light. So experiment with screen and color dodge layers basically, and see what it is you like.